ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kasorkar jelah ka arphundai terik unaitung arajar arpusau. Kalapan benapat ba bahkan ailat no ia ke Ïaid kali na Baroh Liang lengba ke Jingkieng Damsite. Hadian ba ke Jing maramot ia ni ke Jingkieng kepala simpor jin hadu nyau benai kala dep pura. Ia kani lapentip dau menteri kasorkar jelah ubakmi ia katnat sam boarding u Abu Tahir Mondal ha ke Jing keren bat kilat patai kubor ha kamra trekam jong u. Ulai itu ru bawar la kasorkar kala Pyllait ia ke Ïaid jong kikali na Baroh Liang nrai ondang perking banom Ïaid ia kikali kibakit palat ia ke sau metrik ton.
For the Umiam Dam and Bridge has sat under the chairmanship of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Preston Timsham, where also present the Chief Secretary, the DGP, District Commissioners, Deputy Commissioners, then the officials from PWD, MECL, and also our consultant from IIT. We had a threadbare discussions, and after all the discussions, it has been decided that from tomorrow onwards, the bridge will be open both ways, and this will be only restricted to as per the earlier order restricting only 4 metric ton of vehicles, not above the 4 metric tons. There will be further notification later on, and when that notification will come, I will call you again and explain the situation. So this is the present situation as per the status of Umiam Bridge is concerned. I was telling you earlier also, today also I want to tell you that this entire work is having 2 components. One component is the dam and the other component is the bridge above the spillway. As the traffic is concerned on the bridge and dam, the portion where the retrofitting work for the bridge is required, it is completed. And further retrofitting may require, that we will decide later on if it requires at all. But for the present scope of work, it has been completed. As far dam is there, almost all the works on the top surface is completed. But still we need to go for grotting in the gallery portion, and that will not hamper the movement of traffic. And also little work is left for the repairing of the cracks in the upstream space of the bridge, and small minor works are there. This will not hamper as far movement of traffic is concerned. The entire cost as of now it is around 19.9 crore for Umiam Dam only. See, the question is that safe on what basis? That's why we are restricting for light motor vehicles only. It is not safe to allow heavy vehicles to move on the dam and the bridge. With this load restriction, life has increased, but if we allow heavy vehicles, then there may be further deterioration of the bridge, and also dam may happen. That will lead to the further seepage of the dam, and also there may be further crack in the bridge. So we have discussed on that, and earlier also we put barrier, but somehow or other the restriction, though we contain, but as per some allegations that heavier vehicle also passes the bridge. That's why we have decided that this time we will put permanent barrier, so that heavy vehicle with some height cannot enter. They will enter the city, but they will not cross the bridge, through which this water was taken out. This got blocked, so water could not go. Now we have removed all this block. Those seepage water now can easily pass through. Second thing is that we have gone for some more holes to carry out the water. So there won't be any question of water logging there. IIT professor was with us, the consultant. He was with us only, because I was making sure that he should be present to this meeting. That's why, as he was busy, first he was out of station. Second thing, that he was in charge for the introduction of 1,100 IIT students, freshers, into the college, so he could not give us time. That's why we have come to the end of our target date also. That is there, but see, 19 crore money is spent to not only for bridge. Bridge component is around 64 lakhs only. Our major concern is the dam. So in the dam, the major chunk of money has gone. And moreover, not only that, this is a regular repair and renovation is also there. There is another component of around 2 point some crore, where we are going to paint the radial gate, we are going to remove the old rubber seal, put the new rubber seal. We have put the spiral gate to go on top of the main structure, and then also that catwalk new we have put. So all this, there are three components. One component is civil work. The civil work is basically for the dam. And second one is the electromechanical work. See, as we know, all of us, we know that lifespan of the bridge is almost expired. So with this thing, and if the load restriction is there, you can say that we have added another 2 decades into that. But then we should be very strict in that.
So again, I'm coming to night super of this restriction. So what is the point, sir?
No, see, this restriction got to go for the greater interest of the bridge and also the dam, because night supers also carry a lot of weights. Nowadays, we don't see that night supers are carrying weight on top of the vehicle, but they are having an under deck where they used to carry heavy loads also. And as our consultant who is telling that the total load can be given at any point of time, that one, what he mentioned. So accordingly we have gone. So after erecting of all barriers and all these things, we will come with some relaxation, but it is as per today's decision that heavy vehicles will be not allowed over the bridge.
Usnem arjar arpo, uday usnem ubaka pertay Baroh kaway ka mat ya ka jingjinjar sosat nagadao ka jingwan lan shop ka klam COVID-19. Day hakani ka por, bagi nongsang sinong jongkani ka jala jongiru, ki im hapdeng ka jingjinjar, ki im hapdeng ka jing kordet, bat ka kimkai, namar balakhang damlut ya Baroh, ya ka Ïaid ka kit ka ba, ka tiet ka pet, nadong syadong. Kum kaway na kilat patay kubor kabalarung siya kikendong kensrot la hasor nila hanong kendong. Ngilabon jad kijing kibagi ba kia kendo hagapor lockdown. Kaway na kita kijing kabangi kendo hagapor lockdown kaday kabam.
Habang yong kabam hakajat bin riu jongi nengong dew kau udai upiat kasini kamlu kadok kha bat kum ta ter.
Haot. Na pedang kini ki marba. Kat tu kat ni ngilaban yo na ka di ka jela ka jongiru. Henry kat no Ki babon hi ni haban shanya na bahar. Mentang ngilala na kita ki jing Ki Baroh yang kendu hak pon lockdown. Henry kum ka jela ni haban kendet ben riu. Tenang bagi nubla ben penbiang daladi yaladi. La kalong hak bam ka di ka kup ka sem ka riam ka ben berkum ta ter.
Lingba kan ku khubor ya lap ya riu. Nginyok bani merjingot kum no bagi lap ban poi syakatong bat ban longru kum kata ka rensan ka ban plilat iki pai ba ban penpawi ke jing snow ke jongki hakakam ba ke jing don kam hakakam bat ba ka sorkaru kan la ban snap iki ta ke jing don kam. Namar klem ke jing tailang ke jong pai ba bat ka sorkar. Ka jela kan mla ban yang hala ke jong ki kejan.
Tu menyepet mentah ki egi jing ki bakang lat ki pat ba jongi bat ki egi jinan kam jongki ka ba ka sorkar ka haban le.
Lengba ka Batesi TV, ngiwan ra yagani ka khubor yalap yari. Habar ben usaipan
Jat bin riu kasan.